everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is we're gonna make a new game reviews for today. Okay, so we got some news. So this is Inazuma 11, right? So and let's go. Let's gonna start it up. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my I'm gonna go to record it. Okay, and then okay, there it goes. And then it's all, I think it's still started. Okay. Okay, I think it's not starting it up. Okay. Okay, there it goes. Okay, and then we're gonna go to Inazuma 11. So it says right here, Victory Road. So let's go, gonna check it out. Okay, and then gonna to hear the right. So to check this game, so if it is good or not, so let's go, gonna check that out. Okay, so this is a new free to download game. So and this is also based from the anime, so I already saw the anime of this one, Inazuma 11. So this is a soccer game, right, or football. Okay, so you know, different words from different oh, nice. Okay, please hold the button you'd like to use to confirm this button can be traced at any file. Okay, there you go. Let's go click the A. Oh, okay. Okay. Use A for confirm. Press A to confirm. Okay. Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay. There you go. So this is so okay. The use worldwide beta test demo. So this is not yet the official game, right? So this is also first the demo. So let's just first compete against bots, right? So okay, and then I guess here Inazuma champs. Okay, so let's go gonna check this out if it is all worth the game. So worldwide beta demo right here, and then the game is still not released. Okay, the official game is still not released. So let's go gonna play the beta demo, right, before the official game will release. Okay. okay, so this is gonna count to play the game. Okay, so this is gonna how to play the game, right? So let's go. There's a tutorial, okay. These are the tutorial, okay. How to play the game. Okay. Okay, so that's how do you do it. Oh, okay. This is okay. 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 How to do it? So it goes. Okay, that's not good. Okay, there's a special move for the game also. Okay. Ah, okay. Oh, okay, that's nice. Okay. Okay, too much tutorial, but it's still good to watch. Okay, so before we gonna start the game, so here it goes, and then okay. Okay, so A, this is how to play the game, right? So oh, that's okay. Okay. So this is you know uh how to play this game. All right. So up again. So okay. Okay. So okay. Another this is okay. This will take long. Okay. So okay, just I just gonna show to you how to play this game also. So it's like a soccer game also. This is too much tutorial okay over here. So since this is the first time that I play this game, right? So Okay. Okay, so okay, so okay, so this is just okay, so what one good thing about the game is, it's just only a tutorial for today. So okay, it's just only a tutorial, but I think this one is a good game also. So if you want to, okay, so if you want to download this game right now, so this is free to download and a worldwide beta demo. So and you can play it right now, so free to download the game. And also this is a good one also, so a tutorial for today. So how to play the game. So it's just like a soccer. So it's because since this is my it's because since this is my first time to play a soccer game, so anime version, so not the soccer game that which you see in the FIFA game, right? So this is a good one also to this is a good one also to this is a good one also to play it. So okay, so that's it for this vlog, and I hope you enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so for more gaming gadgets and accessories, and also gaming reviews. Okay, either PlayStation games, Nintendo Switch games, and mobile games. Okay, so thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay.